How's it going, everybody? Chris Heckman here, and in this video we are going to be learning how to set up the Facebook pixel within your ClickFunnels funnel. So what we're going to be going over 4 steps. First, how does the Facebook pixel work? What is it? And finally understanding once and for all what the heck it does for us. Secondly, we're going to install the funnel pixel. Then third, we're going to install the standard event pixel for each page. And then we're going to review, and don't worry, we're going to go over what each of these steps means in more detail throughout the video. So to start off, high-level explanation of what the Facebook pixel actually is imagine that this is Facebook, and Facebook understands everything that is going on within Facebook's own platform. It knows everything that each user is doing inside of Facebook itself. What it doesn't know is once its users leave Facebook, it has no idea what's going on outside of Facebook's realm unless we put a piece of Facebook's code on our website called a Facebook pixel. Now Facebook is able to pierce the veil and come onto our website and see what it is that its users are doing on our website, which pages they are hitting. And this is really important for us. And the reason we do this is so that we can send information back to Facebook about what the traffic we're sending, what that traffic is doing on our website. And this takes the form of we can show them who is adding products to cart, who is making purchases, who is consuming blog content, a whole plethora of different things we can send back to them. And we can use this information to then optimize the campaigns that we are running within Facebook to say, like, these are the types of people that are converting and making purchases, adding to cart, so on and so forth. And that's important because then it allows us to improve our campaigns and be more effective with marketing within Facebook. So here's the funnel, very basic funnel we're going to be using. This is actually Trey Llewellyn's free plus shipping funnel. We're just using this for an example. So we have an opt-in page, an order page, and an order confirmation page. And what we're going to be doing, first step, is putting the master pixel, base pixel code that encompasses all these pages. And this is just one step that we need to do. And what this does is allows Facebook to see which pages a customer actually hits. So it's going to be able to see when they land on the opt-in page, when they land on the order page, when they land on the order confirmation page. So let's go and set that up so we can see what that looks like. So here is the first page of the funnel, and as you can see up in the top right hand corner using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome plugin, that there are no pixels on this one page here. So what we're going to do to install the base pixel code, again, this is the code that encompasses each page all in one step. We're just going to go to settings, and then head tracking code is we're going to place our base pixel code. So where do we get the base pixel code from? Well, within your Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to go, if you're in the Ads Manager, Power Editor, Business Settings, whatever you are, you just go to All Tools, then go over to Pixels, and that'll bring you to this page. If you haven't created your pixel yet, you might need to create it, but if you already have, you're just going to do Setup Pixel, and then not use Integration or Tag Manager. You want to do copy and paste the code, and then we want this base pixel code like we were saying. You're just going to copy that just by clicking, and now on this funnel, in the settings, head tracking code, just paste that. That's all you have to do. Save and update settings. And now we've applied the base pixel code to each step of the funnel. So it's the same if we had 3 steps or if we had 30 steps, it would be applied to every step in that funnel. And now if we refresh this page, we can now see using the Pixel Helper Chrome plugin that we now have the pixel on the page. So that is the first step of that. That's an important step. But now we want to take it a step further, and we want to show Facebook can see which page each person is landing on, but now we want to tell them what each page actually means for us. So on this first landing page, nothing has really happened yet, so that's just a view content. And that's just view content. But then once they get to the order page, the only way that a person is able to get to this order page is by entering their name and email address. So we can tell Facebook, Let me do that. So we can tell Facebook that once they get to this page, they are officially a lead. And this is important because then Facebook is able to see, okay, so whoever lands on this order page equals a lead for this funnel. And then they're able to see who are the people that are becoming leads. And then they go out and optimize and find more people that are like that. And that overall decreases our cost per lead, which is what our goal is for this step. So we tell Facebook that this page here equals a lead. And then we can say to Facebook that once they reach the order confirmation page, they have completed a purchase. And they know that, we know that, because the only way they get to this page is if they enter their shipping and payment information on the order page. So we can say once they get to this page, they're a lead. Once they get to this page, they're a purchase. So we just need to add 2 additional pieces of code to each page. We need the lead and the purchase code. And these are called standard events. This is what Facebook has titled these because they are the most common events out there, and this for 95% of the use. These events will cover your needs when it comes to the Facebook pixel. There's some extenuating circumstances where you'll need to do custom conversions, and I will cover those in a later video. But so, like I said, now this new pixel tells Facebook what each page means for a customer. So we're going to go and install that. So to get to that, we don't need the base code that's already been installed. Now we need step 2, event code. So the first one we're going to be doing is a lead. And in this case, we don't care about having the currency and the value included. So we're going to do basic. And Chrome is lagging again. Basic, and we're just going to copy the code. Again, just to recap, we're copying the code and place this on the page that indicates that once they hit this page, they are now a lead. So we're copying that. We're going to the order form because, like we figured out, once they land on the order page, order form, they are now officially a lead. So we're going to our funnel, our order page step, edit the page. Now go to settings in the top, tracking code, and we want the header code, not the footer code, header code, and then just paste that. Again, I'm just pasting the lead code, pasting it right there. Save that. And then when we preview it, you can see that now on this page, Facebook now knows that anybody who hits this page is now a lead. So that's all there is to it for the lead. Now, next step, we want Facebook to know that anybody who lands on the order confirmation page is a purchase. So to do that, we go to this, and we want to be able to track the value of this. So we want to do the recommended amount, or recommended type code. It gives you basic, recommended, and advanced. You only need to use recommended because this allows us to show the value for the purchase. So copy that, and we're doing the order confirmation page. Order confirmation page, settings, tracking code, header code, and we're just pasting the purchase right there. And now this is the piece that you'll want to edit, the value of this purchase. So depending on what your product was, you're going to enter the value of what that sale was. So whatever the customer is paying, you're going to enter that. So, but what the customer is paying, that is your revenue, obviously. I recommend that you enter your profit. So what your profit margin is, this is a number that only you will know. So say that we sold this product for $10, but it costs us $8 to source it and ship it and everything, then we're only getting a $2 profit off of that sale. And it's important that you put the $2 profit amount instead of the $10 revenue, because Facebook, what it's going to do is it's going to see this value and it's going to equate that value with how much you can afford to pay for it. So it is going to be optimizing for whatever value you put in there. So you want it to optimize for the profit amount, not the revenue amount. Because if it thinks you can be affording to pay $10 per sale, then it could spend upwards of $8.50, $9 per sale. But if you're only making $2 profit off that, then you're actually losing like $6. So you're going to be in the red, and that's not what you want. So you want to make sure you put in the profit amount specifically. So now that we've installed the standard events on these two pages, now let's review what we've gone over so far. So we've shown how the pixel works, and we understand now that the Facebook pixel is sending code or information back to Facebook to say what the traffic that Facebook is sending is actually doing within our website. And we want this to happen so that then Facebook can optimize our marketing campaigns to and our custom audiences to learn about what the traffic is actually doing. And overall, it gives us more effective campaigns and lower cost per conversion. Next, we installed the funnel pixel, which funnel pixel is just the funnel wide code that encompasses each page. You need to do this first step before you can do the next step, which is install the standard event pixel. The standard event pixel shows what each individual page actually represents and says to Facebook that when they land on the order page, that equals a new lead. When they land on the order confirmation page, this equals a new purchase and how much that purchase is worth. There's other types of standard events, but these are the most basic run-of-the-mill standard events you're going to be using on a normal basis. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If it did help you, please leave a like and subscribe so I know what kind of content to keep on providing. That'll provide the most value for you. And please join our Facebook Ads for E-commerce Facebook group. Just a community of people. We're all there to help each other out, help each other learn more about how you can use Facebook ads and leverage that to grow your e-commerce business. Posting tons of free content there all the time. So if you found this video helpful and you want to see more stuff like it, go ahead and join us over at Facebook Ads for E-commerce. I'll leave a link in the detail section below. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. So hope this helped and have a great day.